In this video, we'll be setting up Sende retail signage. With the Sende retail in-store display, you can utilize it a few different ways. One way is to cut out each of the signs and then place them into a frame or have them hanging by a hole punch. Another option is to fold beneath the image and then fold again of the part that does not have an image on it. By taping the portion that does not have any print on it to about halfway of the portion that does have print, you will then have a triangular shape that is able to stand on its own. Repeat this for the other cards. If you have any feedback for the signage, let us know. We're always looking to improve and know what works and what doesn't. Thank you for watching.